Zxshare is a pioneer in China's industrial refrigeration industry, with a market share of more than 50%, far ahead of other brands. This year, the overall order volume has further exploded. Compared with the same period last year, the factory's revenue has doubled again. In order to cope with the explosive demand growth of customers, the factory fully launched the dumpling type of rapid production mode, and shipped a large direct cooling block ice machine in an average of 2 days. On April 17, the company shipped a 30T/50 kg direct cooling block ice machine. On April 18, a 10T/50 kg direct cooling block ice machine was shipped. On April 21, another 10T/50 kg direct cooling block ice machine was shipped. In order to ensure the timely delivery of orders, the company adopted a 2-shift production model, and the workers worked overtime to try their best to complete the production tasks. Even at 10 o'clock in the evening, the interior of the factory is still brightly lit to ensure that customer orders are completed in the shortest time. There is only 1 day off on weekends. Although the order exceeds the production capacity and the production task is busy, the company still strictly controls the production quality to ensure that every product is of high quality. At the same time, in order to further improve the automation level of the equipment, this company has increased investment in research and development, and continuously improved and explored, making the automation of the machine higher and higher. The rapid and standardized production mode has established Zxshare as a benchmark in the industry and consolidated our leading position in the refrigeration industry. In response to the faster and more demands of the market, we continue to optimize the production industry and production process, and play the dumpling production mode to a new level and new height, and will continue to create more excellent products. Serve more customers.